The first is change your shoes.
Yes. Change our shoes.
Now is outfit shoes.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy.
Freeze.
Oh.はい、じゃあこれから私たちルーム2のメンバー紹介からしていきたいと思います。Your member, the first there from Thailand, Lisa and Chacha.
Thailand.
From Malaysia, An and Elyn. Okay, and from China, Didi and Wanku. From Japan, Lei and Luan.
Three, two, one.
Elyn!
I think Wangke.
Wanku?
I think both of them. Both of them.
When there is no schedule, Wangke just sleep all day.
Yeah.
But Elyn, when there is schedule, Elyn, yeah, and then go back to sleep.
Like every time I was sleeping, but then I come up from my bed and everyone's like, oh, Wangke, you are here. You are here. And they didn't know I was sleeping because I sleep all day.
Yeah.
So this is my bed. I really like to keep things simple and clean. I have this to introduce. Yeah, because I really like to sleep. So I usually sleep earlier than everyone and wake up later than everyone. Yes. Yes. So I need this. It's in pink because I love pink.
これは私のお気に入りのお人形で、これとこれなんですけれども、首についているこのブレスレットはここに、これは C&R って書いてあって、ちなみにこちらにも C&R って書いてあるんですけど、一緒にここで頑張っているココと作ったネックレスです。なのでずっと一緒に2人と寝てます。
じゃあ私のベッドを紹介したいと思います。私も普段シンプルなのが好きなんですけど、ここに私が一番最初に仲良くなった友達とのチェキとか、私が写真をデコレーションしてこうやってたくさん疲れた時に見ると元気をもらえるので、これをデコレーションして貼ってます。
So I have a lot of blanket and I switch it. It's like I have 3, so like this is one of it, and like I just like to cuddle it with it, and it's like comfy. Yeah.
Yeah, so mine is pilates rings. So I just like to exercise when I like feel the stress or like I can't sleep. I just like and then put on the earplug and sleep. Yeah.
Mine is this pillow because it makes me relax and it has my saliva all over it, so it smells a bit. But then it's this one.
And then I got this from my daddy, and also this from my friend. I need them all night. If not, I can't sleep.
This is just like a doll that I hug to sleep. Has my smell. Yeah, simple. That's it. We talk about all day.
Yeah.
And secretly eating snacks.
Yeah.
Secretly, like, you know how what happened today in practice, blah blah blah. It's like, you know, girls gossip.
Yeah. Refrigerator of our room.
This is the snack supplier.
Don't tell the staff though.
They're gonna come like search our room. No, we finished it. There's no more.
Yeah, it's all gone. Yeah.
以上、私の大好きなルーム2でした。
Hello， 大家好。Hello， 大家好，我是弟弟。萨瓦迪卡，弟弟卡，陈冰坤金卡。รักนับชูชู
ครั้งแรก the first
ใช่ ใครก่อนดีดี
I can speak English. I was so excited to see so many girls, like pretty girls, and then it was my first time singing and dancing on stage. I was a little bit nervous, but everything turns out good, right?
Yeah,
Good?
You're so good
It's
in
good?
that step.
Yeah, but I was nervous, so it was a really good experience, and I wish I can perform more for my fans and all of the Trong Asia fans.
โอเคค่ะ
Time to
It's time
go.
to go.
โอเค
Didi.
พี่เป็นไงบ้าง
Both of them are like improving right now. So if you want to know which part I'm good at, you have to be watching our show on WeTV so you can know how we all improve from the first stage to the end. Yes. So I think I'm still finding which one is my better part. Yeah.
ถ้างั้นจะให้โชว์นิดนึงได้ไหมคือสิ่ง
可以给大家说一下吗？自己可以跳舞或者唱歌都可以，给大家看一下。
那我唱歌。
那เดี๋ยวหนูร้องเพลงแล้วกันค่ะ
ได้ค่ะมา
Every moment it's paradise when I'm looking in your eyes. My love, it's feeling so strong. Every time we come around and smile, you make me feel alive. I don't wanna let you go.
Yeah.
老师们的时候，你们感觉怎么样？
I saw their stage, and I know like every teacher is so professional, and then I think they give us a really good like 就是一开始给了我们一个很好的榜样，让我们看到一会儿我们要在台上表演，所以让我们更有信心去在台上表演给大家和导师们看。
หนูก็ได้到导师们的时候，有没有觉得有压力或者紧张？
我觉得反而更多是 I feel safer. I feel
是
safer.
有点害怕，是
Like
有点
I'm
害
scared.
怕。
No, I don't scared of them.
Wow.
I think they're all super nice, and they have so much patience to like watch all of the girls dancing and singing on stage. So I'm really thankful for all of them giving us good opinion and to let us be more better and better. Yeah.
是吧？พวกหนูสวยสะ
ถ่าย
บัด
แล้วก็ทีละคนค่ะ
พวกหนูสวยสะบัดค่ะ
เดี๋ยวค่ะ
ชอบไหมคะชอบไหมคะ Okay.
Okay.
ready
น่ารักแบบนี้ชอบไหมคะน่ารักค่ะ
弟弟和袁科师弟是来泰国，对不对？
ใช่ค่ะ
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 แล้วเป็นไงเมื่อมาไทยครั้งแรกเจออะไรแบบที่แบบรู้สึกว้าวมากแบบในเมืองไทยมาก
第一次来到泰国，有没有觉得你的感觉？
The food is really really good so good ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วงชอบมาก
ชอบมากๆข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง
Yes I really like
What about the weather?
我不是第一次来泰国，
就是在一起的时候就跟外国人朋友是在一起对吧？有没有？
เขาจะมาด้วยลุคที่แบบสวยตลอด
สบาย
You
你们
always
经
look
常
beautiful.
你不是他的室友对吧？是经常经过他，你会每次都是很漂亮的样子。
ถ้างั้นให้ดิฉันในฐานะ
So shy
พูดถึงเมาส์สัมภาษณ์ที่แบบไม่มีใครรู้หรือว่าใครนะความลับที่ไม่มีใครรู้เล่ามาให้ฟังหน่อย
我们想让你们讲关于自己的小秘密或者别人不知道的事情或者可以讲关于本秘密。
Okay I really really like crocheting everyone in here all the girls know that because whenever they see me I'm like this and they're like what are you doing new and everyone like asks me can I have that so I have like a list of older right now everyone want me to make something for them yeah so crocheting it's my secret that I haven't shared to everyone but like that's what I do like when I came here in Thailand and in the dorm
So now it's done you just crochet
yeah because like whenever like we're like resting time after like are training, I just go back and lay in my bed and like crocheting. Like it's chilling and it's like relaxed for me. So I love to do that. Yeah.
You intend to do that?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yeah, I give it
Wow.
to a lot of my friends. Yeah.
70?
Not yet. It's like if someone wanted, they come ask me and I'll like, okay, I'm gonna do it, but I'm not sure when am I gonna give it to you, but I'll try. And they're gonna be, okay, I'll wait for you. And I was like, okay, I'll try. Yeah. I think you're doing a good job right now. So keep going.
Yeah.
We can do it.
Yeah.
I tried it before, but it's from the other girls.
Wow.
It's like there are like a group of girls that it's really cute. They give surprise for like the girls for birthday, and then at like 12 o'clock we all celebrate in our common room, and like they make cakes for the girls, and like we all write some cute cards. Yeah, so I think that's so cute.
我觉得特别开心，大家在这儿。
Yeah.
ก็รู้สึกแบบดีใจมากๆค่ะที่ทุกคนอยู่ในนี้ด้วยกันนะ
So it's almost Chinese New Year in China and everywhere. So like we want to wish everyone happy Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
Right?
นะค่ะ
น่ารักแบบนี้โปรดให้เข้าได้ยุได้ยัง
One more time.
Okay. น่ารักแบบนี้โปรดให้เข้าได้ยัง
แต่ที่ดิฉันไหนประโยคค่ะว่า
หนูสอนเขาว่าให้พูดว่า
โปรดให้เข้าได้ยัง
โอเคอ่ะ
我是弟弟，请大家多多支持我，多多支持姐姐，多多支持科科，然后支持我们所有70个女孩子们。然后 we will perform different stage and different best version of ourselves to every audience, and we will try so hard. And then please vote for us, and then tell all of your friends to watch Trong Asia Thailand in WeTV, and vote hi. บอกให้หนูด้วยนะคะบอกให้หนูด้วยนะคะขอบคุณนะคะรักนับจุ๊จูยินดีที่ได้รู้จักค่ะบรรยากาศดีมากรอด้วย Oh my god กรรมการยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่หอพักของช่วงเอเชียในที่พักอันอุ่นๆแห่งนี้คุณกำลังจะเริ่มต้นการเดินทางสู่ความฝันกับสาวสวยทั่วโลกแล้วหนึ่งในนั้นเหรอแล้วคนสวยรอหน่อยนะเพื่อนๆต่างชาติคุณกำลังตามมามาเปิดกระเป๋ากันดีกว่ามา3เอาใหม่1นับเป็นภาษาจีนไหมโอเคภาษาจีน1มา3มา1 2 3โหยาดมเกิร์ลทีมเราชอบยาดมมากอีหลินน่ะพี่เจเชื่อตำมะม่วงเคยเห็นแบบแผงร้านขายของชำปะนี่พี่มีผ้าถุงมาด้วย
น้ำพริกอาสลิดตัวช่วยชีวิต
หนูพระว่ะไหว้พระเถอะลูกไหว้พระเถอะลูกถ้าใช่อย่าตกใจนะนี่ที่เสริมดวง
You can find it by yourself.
We can like go to whichever room.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's still 3 space in the biggest room. You want to go to the... Let's go. 样子是为什么？
很想这样。
OK, go.
Oh my god, it's already a green room. Oh, I love green.
Welcome, welcome. Do you have like any standards for choosing the room?
I care but I don't care because I'm so tired, but then I'm gonna live there for the next 5 months. So
Okay, bye bye. So you're going in for this room?
yeah, what a better way to wear a tie than to live with all my
It's my room.
Okay.
Do you have any space left? Too warm.
Can I?
Yeah, never. Yes, you can, bro.
Yay, we're here. Room 7.
Oh, okay.
I'm the first international.
Oh, really? Okay. So you're all here? Oh yeah, you look upset. You look angry.
I'm tired. I'm sleep deprived. I already puked 2 times. My head hurts.
Okay. Go to sleep.
I think she's kind of depressed.
Yeah, okay. It's okay.